smartphone manufacturers have realized the importance of coming up with good options that are compatible with the 5G technology. The Vivo V23e 5G is one such smartphone curated to meet your demands. Talking about the model, the V23e has a slim, lightweight and comfortable 2-volt design. It is available in different color variants which hold their distinct thickness. While the Dark Pearl edition is 7.67 mm thin, the Sunset Jazz is 7.79 mm thin. The 5G smartphone comes with a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with ultra-high resolution which presents lively colors while also taking good care of your eyes. It has a 7nm MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor that advances V23e's performance, and the ultra-fast 5G setup provides fast data connection with minimum power consumption. Just like other Vivo models, even this one has the Funtouch OS with version 11.1 based on Android 11. You do not have to worry about lagging issues here, as this one comes with enough inbuilt space. It has 8GB RAM plus 4GB extended RAM that uses the available space from the 128GB of built-in memory to let you surf smoothly with even up to 20 apps operating at a time. The built-in storage can be expanded up to 1TB. The Vivo V23e 5G comes with a large battery of 4000 mAh combined with 44-watt flash charge. It is so fast that it can charge up to 72% in just 30 minutes. Talking about its most effective forte, the camera is here to impress again. The Vivo V23e has dual rear camera which consists of a 64MP night camera for extraordinary pictures even in low light and 8MP wide-angle camera to capture more area. The camera is also designed to get super stable videos. The phone has a 32MP Super Selfies camera to click great pictures in any condition. The camera also comes with special features like dual view to capture views from front and rear cameras at the same time, and double exposure to add styles to your photos. So if you're looking for a 5G smartphone that offers great battery, good processing and a very cool camera experience, go for the Vivo V23e 5G smartphone.